Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video I'll be analyzing Bandhan Bank. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Guys, here I've taken Bandhan Bank weekly chart. The first important thing I want to show you is the trend. We can see how beautifully the prices have been holding this trend. This is a trend line I want to draw, and I'll also draw a small channel so that I can show you the range from where the prices have been bouncing up. Right, so this is the range what I've drawn, and you can see here whenever price has entered this range it has bounced, right? And recently as well, on 25th Jan, that particular week, after hitting this level it has bounced, right? So this trend line is holding strong. The first important point is a trend. Second important point was it has been holding this 50 moving average as well. If you see this blue line, the prices have held this 50 moving average and bounced. This is the second beautiful thing in Bandhan Bank. And the third beautiful thing is the inside bar. On weekly chart it has formed a inside bar. So here I'm marking the inside bar high and low as well. Now let me move to daily chart. I'll show you something more there. On daily chart guys, if you see, this pink colored line is 200-day moving average, and our prices after it bounced from this trend line, you can see how again this 200-day moving average has acted as support and prices have again bounced up from here. So this 200-day moving average is also very important. So based on this, if we have to take a trade, then tomorrow, that is on Monday, in case price trades above this 341.95, we can go for a target of 357, right? And above 357 guys, make sure this 50 moving average, once prices reach at 50 moving average, you can start trailing your stops, because this will act as a very important resistance level. From this point again, there are good chances prices can reverse and come down. So in case we see price trading above 341.95, we can go for a long position for a target of 357, and the next target will be somewhere around 50 moving average. And before that we may have some more targets, that is resistance what I'm drawing here. You can check it out. This will also be a key level, that is 364.95. and what if tomorrow prices again retrace down? If it comes down again, wait for the price to hold this 200-day moving average. In case this 200-day moving average is not held, wait and see how this trend line will behave. In case we see close below this trend line, then there is no point of taking long positions. It will be very difficult, very tough then. In case you want to take a long position, wait for prices to bounce back and get out of this range level. You can plot the same range as I've shown you on your system and wait for the prices again to come above this range of 334, then probably take a long position, right? This is a simple analysis what I have on Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank looks very good. You can check it out yourself. Alright guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.